In this video, I am going to show you how to set manual CPC in Google Ads. Firstly, go to ads.com.google, then sign in with your Google account. If you manage multiple accounts, select the appropriate one. From the left menu, click on Campaigns and choose the campaign where you want to apply this manual CPC. Click into the campaign, then go to the Ad Groups tab to choose a specific ad group. Inside your selected campaign for ad group, click on Settings, find the bidding section and click Change Bid Strategy, then select Manual CPC from the drop-down options. Still in the settings, look for the field and enter your default max CPC. Input your preferred bid amount. And this bid will apply by default to all keywords in the ad group unless you set custom bids per keyword. Go to the Keywords tab within your ad group and find the keyword you want to set to a specific bid for. Under the Max CPC column, click the value or personal icon and enter your custom Max CPC bid. Keep an eye on metrics like CTR, conversion rate, and average CPC, and adjust Max CPC bids accordingly to improve ROI, increase visibility for top-performing keywords, and reduce spend on underperforming ones.